Hi everyone, here is my app coffee. My name is Navid Destiny. It's all explained step by step for beginner. You should do it the task and comment it for me. Task 1 and task 2. You can see the code in the GitHub. I've added the link in the caption. Before we started using reactive form, we used document element by ID. Set the object like that. Name or email, count, anything. And set the ID in HTML for select and input value. Now with reactive form in the simple way, we just create variable form group and type and initialize it in init like that. Name. You should use form control and count. In HTML, we bind it form group to form and set a form control name. Another form control name. Let's just see like that. Uh, we need to bind it submit button in form. We use ng submit and create method like that and get value sent to backend, sent to another component, anything. Okay, let's see. I would like 2 espresso coffee and see the console. But if you want to do in a cleaner and more advanced way, you can do what I do. Create TS file, order, coffee, that model, that TS, and create class, export coffee form, extend form group. I set a type for form group because I need a killing code. Form group types requires controls of abstract. And create type and interface and pass a type in form group. Implement interface and create constructor and pass a control in super. Set a value, default value, and malay that true, count, and like that. And get a name, string, and return is that controls that name as for control. It converts abstract to form control because we need in HTML. When we implement interface, we're forced to follow interface rules like security. We convert abstract to form control because we need in HTML. In TS4, we don't use form group. For is coffee form, new coffee form, and initialize it like that. Just in the HTML, we don't need form group name. Form control and form dot name. And if you use like that, we have an error because form controls form controls name types is abstract. We use a form control. We use a convert and let's see. I would espresso coffee 3 and it's inspect and in constructor have a date. So what are the benefits? Your TypeScript file won't get a mess. Debugging become much easier because everything in one place. It follow object-oriented programming rules and single responsibility from a solid. If you need this form is another place you can easier use the class. Thank you for watching.